Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you what is SEO, search engine optimization, and how does it work. So we start. SEO stands for search engine optimization. In simple terms, it means the process to improve your site, increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your website in Google, Bing, and other search engines. This better visibility change your pages have in search results. The more likely you are garner attention and attract prospective, exciting customer to your business. So, how does SEO work? Search engines such as Google and Bing use bots to crawl pages on the web, going from site to site, collecting information about those pages and putting them in an index. Think of the index like a giant library where the librarian can pull up a book or a web page to help you find exactly what you are looking for at the time. Next, algorithm analyze pages in the index, take into account hundreds of ranking factors or signals to determine the order pages should appear in the search result for a given query. In our library analogy, the librarian has read every single book in the library and can tell you exactly which one will have the answer to your question. Our SEO success factors can be considered proxies for aspect of the user experience. It's how search bots estimate exactly how well a website or a web page can give the searcher what they are searching for. Unlike paid search ads, you cannot pay search engines to get higher organic search rankings, which means SEO experts have to put in the work. That's where we come in. Our periodic table of SEO factors organizes the factors into 6 main categories of weight, each based on its overall importance to SEO. For example, content quality and keyword search are key factors of content optimization, and crawlability and C are important. Speed are important site architecture factors. The newly updated SEO periodic table also includes a list of toxins that are detract from SEO practices. These are shortcuts or the tricks that may have been sufficient to guarantee us high ranking back in the day when the engine's methods were much sophisticated and they might even work for a short time. Now, at least until you are caught. We have also got a brand new niches section of deep dives into the SEO success factor behind three key niches: local SEO, news publishing, and e-commerce SEO. While our overall SEO periodic table will help you with the best practices, knowing the nonsense of SEO for each of these can help you succeed in search results for your small business, recipe, blog, and or online store. Why is SEO important for marketing? This is it will we will discuss it later in second part of the SEO. So keep connected to our channel, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.